Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix BitLocker drive encryption. Starting BitLocker. This device can't use a trusted platform module. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates, click and expand Windows components. Click and expand BitLocker drive encryption, click and expand operating system drives. Open RICO or additional authentication at startup, change to enabled. Click API, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type gp update /force. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.